Okay people, welcome to this lecture where we are going to perform different functions with the variable. So here is the data set where we have 7 variables and then a gender where we have mentioned it as 1 and 2. And now let's go to variable view. Now you see here again there are some default options and we are going to change it now. So first you see, just go to label. These are labels that you will mention when you have your questionnaire, and then you see in front of gender. Okay, first copy and paste the above mentioned. Copy and paste like this. Paste it in all. Okay, for gender you are not going to copy and paste, you just have to edit it and then mention one as male and then add it, and then for second to label is at female, so add it up as well. Click OK. So this is how you got your gender over here. That is different from your up mentioned values. So now decimals, there are decimals are up to 2 places, so you can change that too as well. Go to back to data view, and now you see if you want to see here 2 decimal places, and then keep it as none, then column, then align. You can make it in the center, and okay, let's make it in center too. But what we want to do, we want to keep it back to the right, so click right like this. Okay, now measures. Now you see that all our items are in Likert scale. So our Likert scale is our ordinal scale, so we will keep it as ordinal scale. Keep all of them as ordinal scale. Okay, this. Now for the last one, gender one, this is male and female, we will keep it as nominal scale because gender is on nominal scale, and leave the rest is fine. Go back to data view, and now here you see that your item 4, item 6, item 7, all of the items. Now you want here item 5 is missing, so you want an item 5 over here. So what we are going to do, so let's say that you can go on in this toolbar and search for inserting a variable, because this has an option. So this is here, insert variable. So now just go to edit. Here also there is an option for insert variable, and then you can also right click and insert variable. So there are 3 different ways to insert variable. So now we're just going to click it and see you got your variable over here between 4 and 6. You see that we got variable after 4 and before 6 because we had clicked on 6. Now let's go back to and see that what happens if we add it after 4. So see, click on 4 and you want a variable over there. So click insert variable, and see now your variable has come after 3 and before 4. So this is the wrong thing. So because you wanted it after 4 and between 6. So just clear it up from here. Here is delete button as well. You can click that from keyboard. So click over here, insert a variable. So now just after this, go back to variable view, and here you see you have got a variable mentioned over here. Just click on it and add item, the missing item, item 5. Now go back to data view, and here you have got item 5, and then you can add up values as you had added in other items. This is the case when you forget to add an item. So suppose you want to delete an item. Let's delete 7. You can delete it from here. Okay, and the other option to delete is that you can go to edit and then you can clear it off from there. And the other option can be you can put delete button from your keyboard. So we have deleted our 7th item. Now see, in variable view also 7th item has been deleted. Go back to data view and then edit. Okay, now here. Okay. Now see, you want your gender to come at this first. Okay, now just add a variable in it, and now you see that a variable has been added in variable view also. So just copy, okay, first, and then paste. If you get this question mark, Just click outside of the data, you will get it done, and you'll get your values back. So this was all from the different functions with variables. In the upcoming lectures, we are going to study more about SPSS and learn about the basics.